What are you doing? I'm looking at the book. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hey, Elmo, look, there's Kit. Hey, Kit, how you doing? You doing all right? Elmo, Elmo. Hey, Kit, how you doing? Oh, yeah, it's me, Kit. Yeah. Can you see me, Kit? Yeah, I'm with Grandad. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what are you doing? Reading a book. Oh, the farm. Yeah, look. See the pictures? Yeah. Oh, what can you see? Yeah. See that? Oh, yeah. Do you see that? Did you see that? Yeah. Well, you're a grumpy old dude, aren't you? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Kit, let's have a look at the book. Let's read the story. Yeah. Farm and Friends. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Oh, come on, open it up. Welcome to the farm. Oh, okay. Are you going to read it? Okay. Welcome to the farm. All kinds of animals live on the farm. Some live outside, some live in the barn. Furry ones, feathered ones, woolly ones too. Some things that they do just might surprise you. Oh, is that right? Oh, yes. Are you going to surprise me? Oh, okay. Let's turn over the page. A cock-a-doodle-doo. Look at that. Look. Ooh, what do you think? Oh, look at that. Cock-a-doodly-doo. Ooh. Yeah. What's he on about? The time. Roosters, they crow all day long. They say cock-a-doodle-doo. When it's early in the morning, will you do a cock-a-doodle-doo? Oh, I don't know about that, but I'll do something else. Did you have beans the night before? Maybe. A piggy! Yeah. Oh, that's a piggy. Oh, you know that's a piggy? Yeah, look. Oh. Pigs can't sweat or jump in a pool. Did you know that? No, I didn't know that. So they roll in the mud. That's how they stay cool on a hot day. Oh, okay. Well, if you say so. All right. Well, where are we going now? Billy goats. Ooh, billy goats. Oh, okay. Billy goats, silly coats. Chews everything just because he's curious. And when he nibbles at your clothes, it might make you furious. It would make me furious too. Look at that billy goat chewing the scarf. You see that? Yes. I wouldn't give that to Elmo. Turkeys. Turkeys can be very friendly. Oh, yeah, turkeys can be very friendly. Oh, look, I like turkeys. Can you move out of the way so I can see what I'm doing? Oh, okay, take no notice of him. Oh, turkeys can be very friendly, sometimes sitting in your lap. They even purr when they're content, just like a, guess what? A cat. Ooh, I'm upside down. Yes. Okay, see? That doesn't sound like a cat, really, does it? Okay. Well, cats. Cats work hard on the farm, chasing the mice from the barn. They also spend much time at rest. Sometimes on a lamb's back is best. Why would a cat want to sleep on a lamb's back? Oh, you can't see that, can you? No, you can't see that. See that? See the cat sleeping on the lamb's back? Yes, very nice. Is that right? Yes. Oh, you're always in the way, Elmo. Yes. Elmo's kind of nosy. Gets his eyeballs into everything. Look. That's funny. Cows drink a bathtub full of water to produce milk every day. A bathtub of water. But suppose you tried to take a bath and a cow got in your way. What would you do? I don't know about you, but I think I'd get out of the bath and run away. Look at that. Moo. Oh, why have you got that yellow thing in your ear? Oh, quack, quack, says the duck. Chickens. Let's have a look at all these chickens. Hey? Chicken. Oh, I want to see. Oh, yes. Chicken. Oh, yes. Chickens take dust baths and wear a comb in their head. Chickens come in many colours, but their combs are always red. Now, can you tell me where the comb is on the chicken's head? Yeah? Oh, hi, Cam! Ooh. Where's Monkey? He's gone to sleep. Oh, never mind, Monkey. But if you look at this, oh, yes, yeah. Do you see? Do you see? Ooh, 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 ooh. What are you doing? Go on, shoo, shoo, shoo. Yeah, look, there's the comb, right there on his head. You see it's red, red, red. There, he's got one too, and he's got one too. Oh yeah, they're all red. But you haven't. You're an old, grumpy old man. Hey? Yeah, 'cause you're a granddad. Yeah. Ooh, hello. Ooh, yes. Ooh. I want to eat chickens. Hey, listen, I want to read the book. Would you mind it? Stop it. Elmo. You have to tell Elmo off sometimes. Yes. Elmo? Yes? Yes? Sit still. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Sheep. Sheep are gentle creatures who get nervous when alone, but when they are finding... Let me say that again. But when they find their flock, they feel happy because they're at home. Oh, why do they feel at home when they're in a flock? Because there's many of them. There was their brothers and sisters and their mamas and their daddas and their grandpapas and the great-great-great-granddadders and mamas too. And do you know what they make? No, what do they make? Furry wool. Wool for nice sweaters and jerseys and keep things warm. Oh, okay, and blankets on the bed too. Yes, that's right. Okay. What's next? Look at that. Look at that big moon. Ooh, it's bright. And look at the cat sleeping. What's this about? Horses. What do the horses say? Ah, horses eat hay, and horses say nay. They sleep standing up. Could you sleep that way? No. Oh, no. My feet would get sleepy, tired, and I would fall over. Yes. Elmo, behave yourself. Look at that cat. The cat's smart, isn't he? He's asleep on the fence. He doesn't get tired feet. Look at this. Lots of animals and baby animals live on the farm too. And guess what? What? They would all love to have you visit from you. Can we go and see the animals then? Yes. Why don't you ask your mummy and daddy to take you to the zoo? And if you haven't got a zoo, go and see the cows in the field. Oh, yes, please. Yeah. Do you want to do that? Yeah. Okay. See all the animals? All those animals. Yeah, look at them. All snuggling down together. Piggies, horses, calves, lambs, cats. Oh, look, I can see a little chicken. Can you see the chicken? Now then, what's the last page have to say? Probably says goodbye. Really, it doesn't want to open the last page. They're stuck together. Did you stick them together, Elmo? No, but look, it's more about books. Books. I want to eat lots of books. Ooh, yes. Ooh, let's take the book and put it away. Ooh, yes. Oh, hello, kid. Bye, kid. Ooh, yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Meow. Happy birthday too. Oh, good. Oh, quick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kit. Happy birthday to you.